Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating Canon Error Code 5C00 on your printer screen, don't panic, we've got you covered. This error, often seen in models like the Pixma series, typically means the waste ink tank is full or there's an issue with the ink absorber. In this video, we'll dive into what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step for 2025. First off, let's break down the meaning. Error code 5C00 signals that your printer's waste ink counter has overflowed. This waste ink comes from routine cleaning cycles, and if it's not managed, it can lead to this error. Common causes include heavy printing without proper maintenance, using low-quality ink, or even a clogged print head. If you've been printing a lot lately, that might be the culprit. Now, onto the solutions. Start with the simplest fix. Turn off your printer, unplug it, and wait about 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This basic reset often works wonders. If that doesn't do the trick, you'll need to enter service mode. Press and hold the stop button for about 5 seconds, then release it. Your printer should enter a maintenance menu. From there, select the option to reset the waste ink counter. For a more thorough fix, grab a soft cloth and some distilled water to gently clean the ink absorber pads inside the printer. Be careful not to damage any components. If you're tech savvy, you can use Canon's official software or third-party tools available in 2025 to reset the error code. Remember, always download from trusted sources to avoid malware. To prevent this error in the future, make it a habit to perform regular maintenance, like running cleaning cycles every few weeks and using genuine Canon ink. If none of these steps work, it might be time to consult a professional technician. There you have it. Your guide to conquering Canon Error Code 5C00 in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Happy printing!